My people. Chai. Make una see the downfall of a man that once was one of the best in everything when it comes to entertainment. Y'all Edochie, my people, the man don't crash down. Oh. Don't crash down. Be say don't crash down. This one, no going back. This one a heavy crash down where y'all Edochie don't experience right now. As if that was not enough, una come hear matter. Kasala. Before any other thing, I go like greet each and every one of una. First of all, welcome back to our channel. We don't come back again. Now, Jessie Queen Bidis, thank you so much for your love, your support, your prayers for Queen May. Trust me, they go a long way. Please don't stop. Continue praying for her. And if today be your first time, when you stumble across our channel, I beg of you to kindly like, share, subscribe, and drop us a comment. It's very, very important. My people, this one don't become say the more you see, now so you go to ask yourself, why? Wetin do this man making enter inside this kind of wahala? Wetin make Yul Edochie carry in body with the comfortable life he was living? My people, it is not a joke. Neither is it an exaggeration. Yul Edochie been dey live one of the most comfortable lives in his own industry in Hollywood. People that knows everything concerning him, they really respected him. Now, because of that heavy respect, they get am, then come the fear to tell Queen May the truth. Then come the fear to tell Queen May, say, see, your husband, they work out with another woman because then they fear him. They don't know say na Queen May, na she be the powerful woman for house. Oh, my people, appearance at times, say, appearance feel deceive. Appearance feel deceive, it can deceive. When they saw Yul Edochie that time in the industry, the way they behave, the way they carry body, people come they fear. Nobody wanted to tell Queen May the truth. But we thank God at the end of the day, everything it come finally fall for Queen May favor. Although it was not never planned that way. But today, our beautiful royal Queen May, she can smile. Look at herself and say, God, thank you. Chineke thanks her. Emailer, you don't make am. True, say you never departed away from me. My people, this one will fall on the Edochies. Nobody will tell us that they planned for it. Nobody will tell us that they saw it coming. But guess what? Another heavy one come fall. Yul Edochie, my people. When person cup don't full, it don't full. If your cup don't full, forget it. It is just a matter of time. It will start to pour. And once it starts pouring, they no go fit pack and back now. How do you carry pack and back? Now so Yul Edochie. After everything when don't sample outside, you guys have been seeing. After all, waiting when don't make people feel or think about him, even believing as if he is the most and most, you guys have been seeing. But today, Yul Edochie, unknown to him, he got a very, very important, strange and worrisome matter. Letter for that matter. Like una all know say, majority of the things where Yul Edochie they do, na Ebubedike, Papet Edochie, they use hand help am. As in some will be in the look am, in the help am in so many things. The ones where Ebubedike no one help am, na in Yul they hustle small. But those big ones, the papa and the mama, they really contribute. My people, now so Yul Edochie, where you from come, then come hand and over letter. He look letter. He say, Daddy, this one way they give me letter. He said, no, person bring her here. And I did surprise say they bring her here because normally, this letter supposed to be directed to you, but for your own apartment where they live, not before here. So you all call look the letter, tear am one time. As in tear and read, he come dey shout. He come say, not again. He no fit again. This is stressful. Say he was not born like that. My people, as Yul Edochie open letter, landlord don't give them quit notice. As of next year, he no one see them. He no one get them as tenants. That is why people they suspect now that who knows if this landlord no they follow all this matter or they get. People are suspecting that if he be say this landlord, he don't they follow all these updates and they don't hear what they happen to them. Agadi now my baby and Yul. And trust me, they no go want such people may them just there for their premises like this. Because other tenants, they feel the fear for the unknown. My people, this one shock, this one shock. Remember, Yul Edochie, this is the first time when they even hustle for rentage and all those things. Now, they do that thing them before. And when they come build their mansion, he can't come out body, he can't come out hand for anything rentage. So it is so new to him that he cry. He ask say, wetin be on? He no understand. He no even bargain for this kind of life. If no be one thing, na the other. My people, right now, Yul Edochie don't press regret button. The regret say, it be like say, this lifestyle where I been wanting back on, it has never been the best one. As a gardener, my baby, she herself, she get everything what she get. And remember, say Yul Edochie, his aim was to have Queen May and still have the other woman. So that thing go they get from here and get from there. Now, he is not only stuck inside all this buhaha, but that the thing will carry for body. And couple now with the fact say, they don't give them quick notice, say, they should not bother trying to renew any house rent contract. Say as a matter of fact, 2 people they behind, they wait, make them leave, make them vacate. Imagine, you all they shout. Say how they go carry their ngongo na ngongo. They go from one place to the other. Say he don't fed up, he don't tire. All these things are not for him. Then my people, now so you all they cry. Everybody knows that right now he is highly regretting the good soft life where they enjoy close to your wife. In wife where never give an headache. In wife where she has always wanted the best for him. And Yul, he decided to pay her back with all the bad things where they forward. For the first sake we may picking by, and that will not be the worst in all. Now that will not be the worst for everything. Now, Yul has to deal with rejection. Rejection for a landlord side. We tell them say, quit notice has been served. Now, not be only Yul go come out for that house, but he go cater for all Judy Austin picking them, and even some of his siblings them, where they follow join inside house. The thing no be small thing, no. The thing no be small thing. Yul don't know what to do again. The man don't break down. The man say he won't buy. The man say he don't finish. The man say world don't end. Ciao. Imagine from grace to grass. A man like Yul Edochie, if una know, una go know. Say the man, when things were better, nobody see Yul Edochie for back. When things were moving, Yul was a full and total big boy. See him. See as Yul don't stay. As in they cry, they lament, they complain, they give him papa, the patriarch no answer him. Everybody saying that the patriarch already, he is tired. He don't tire for Yul Edochie. He don't tire for everything where they surround his son. No papa, they pray, make things like this happen. Let alone for a son that was so much looking up to, expecting that Yul go even surpass him in life. Yul go do better in life. Yul can become stagnant like stagnant water. And as if that was not enough, even Yul now, he dey fighting for in lifey, because he don't know how all these things go turn up. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine? After much more, he has no pin to call his own. After much more, see what they do him now. They don't pursue him. Now pursue where them pursue him. Landlord say, make them find their way. Say you don't want hear anything say already their contract December pass, it go finish. It is already due. So you won't make them take time now. They find where they go stay. Because for in place, he no need them. And Yul Edochie tenants, as in their neighbors, have been complaining bitterly, one thing or the other. Agadi now one baby boy, that one, they pick everything will not be owned, they thief am. Neighbors don't they complain since. And with all this, we surround you all. Surely, people don't talk and say, landlord, they don't hint them. They don't tell and say, see what thing we do. We not fit there with a man where they suffer from this thing. Please make him leave. Na village, na village. Na village where Yul Edochie go end up, as we are seeing things at the end of the day. Na village where you all go end up. My people, make una see matter. Make una ma see matter. Kasala boss here be say boss tori wowo. Ciao. This is a highly disgrace for the Edochies their side. What a shame. Now so Yul Edochie don't they fall gradually. We thank God for our Queen. She is living the best life. She deserves every good thing when they come on her way and more. Yes. As they wanted her, today one corner they cry. God said, no, my daughter, wipe your tears. Because you deserve the best of the best. And God, since then, he never depart away from our Queen. My people, and this one where they follow, Yul Edochie and Agadi now, baby, quit notice for their side. We don't know where they will stay. Remember, Yul has nothing in a Naija mansion. So he no fit even dream of that. No matter how much he go like, he no fit. And village, it will be a shame for them. We just don't know. But now, they're supposed to deal with rejection and then deal with the fact, say, they're supposed to look for another place to stay. Can you imagine? What a world. My people, I could draw my curtain here. I could rest my case here. Now, Jessie Queen be this. Please kindly like, share, subscribe, and drop us a comment. Your point of view are valid in this my channel. Please drop it down there. Make we know your point of view. What are your thoughts? What do you want to think about all this? The end of Yul Edochie. They very, very near. He did very near. This man. Anyway, thank you so much, my people.